This is going to be a video product review of the Aglaia True Wireless Earbuds. These run on Bluetooth. You connect them to your cell phone. Let me open up the case and you can see what they are. We have two earbuds. You can use either one of them or you can use both. It also comes with, you can see on the front over there, we have charging lights. It also comes with additional earpieces, small, medium, and large, so that you can use them for the proper fit. On the back over here, we have a USB-C jack, so you can plug your cord that you would normally charge your cell phone or other products at home, plug it in to this jack over here, charge it up. It only takes a short amount of time. You will get 30 hours of listening and phone pleasure with these earbuds. Nice case. The minute you open it up, it connects to your cell phone. So let me show you how that works right now. I'm going to put this back in the case and I'm going to show you what happens. I've got my cell phone over here. I'm going to move it over to Bluetooth. I'm going to turn off Bluetooth and then I'm going to turn it back on right now. I'm going to scan up to the top over here and we can see that this available device, the earbuds, is waiting to be paired. So I'm going to click on that. It shows right now that it's pairing. It should only take a few seconds. Once your cell phone is paired, there we go. Do you want to pair it? Yes, we want to pair. So let's click on pair. Let's go up to the top over here. Connected for calls and audio, 90% battery remaining. This is incredible because you know how much battery life you have on the earbuds. These are available from Aglaia. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description so that you can order these. They're wonderful. You can use these while you're driving and you don't have to touch your cell phone when you answer a call. They have rich bass, high fidelity sound, extended battery life of 30 hours, noise canceling for microphone. That's wonderful. They're water resistant IPX6, so it will protect you while you are in the rain or when you're sweating, when you're working out. They sound wonderful. They sound really nice. Let me take the other one out so you can see. We've got, as I showed you, the different size pieces that you can use. You slide them in your ear. You can tap on them to answer the call. You can tap on them to play music or to pause music. You can tap on it to end a call. And not only that, but you can tap on this and activate Siri or other assistants on your cell phone. So you want to make sure you pick up a pair of the Aglaia T21 earbuds. They are awesome. They sound great. Immersive sound, stereo, what more could you ask for? Make sure you order these. You'll be really happy. They sound wonderful and the price is so reasonable. It's probably 20% of what you're going to pay if you go out and buy the top brands that are just so overpriced. Buy this today.